Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are safe at home and doing well. Okay. So, last class we have finished that beautiful lesson. Okay. Second chapter. Dot dot dash. Okay. It's about telegram. Who discovered that? Samuel Morse. Did you see the video? Please see the video one or two times and read the text also. Text reading is very, very important. So, that notes of explanation I am going to give now. Okay. So, all of you, if you I have sent you the notes. I think already you have written that. You again check it and I am going to tell the meaning also. Okay, all of you take out your English class work, lesson 2. So, write neatly. The notes I have corrected, it's not in a neat way. Okay, you are not writing very neatly. So, all should write. Good handwriting is very, very necessary. So, write neatly. In the middle, you write the chapter name, lesson 2, and then put the date. Date is very, very important. Write the date. First, you have to write the meanings. Next, choose the best answers means you have to write. Last, only you have to write the answer the following. Okay. So, now meanings. Meanings. What is the first meaning? Route. WROUGHT. Route. That W is the silent. Okay. W is the silent. You have to pronounce route. Cause something to happen. Okay. Route means caused something to happen. Okay. Cause spelling CAUSED. Something SOMETHING to happen. 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 Okay. That is route means it's stimulating. Okay, stimulating to happened something. Okay, that is cause something to happen. Next one, survived. 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 Survived means continued to be. Okay, survived means continue to be. Okay, surviving means living. Okay, living, continued living. Okay, that is the meaning. Survived, continued to be. Don't write the spelling wrongly. SURVIVED. Survived. Continued. CONTINUED. And then TOB. And then shortfall. What do you mean by shortfall? Shortfall means shortage. Okay, shortage. Shortage means compression. Shortage. Okay, very few. Okay, that is few amount, like that. Shortage. Shortage of money we are telling, no, that is shortage. Shortfall, shortage. And then SHORT, short. FALL, fall, shortfall. And then shortage, SHORTAGE, shortage. Abandoned. Abandoned means gave up. Gave up means stopped. Okay, abandoned means stop. Gave up means returning that. We don't want that. Telegram is stopped, no? So, we are stopping the telegram service. That is abandoned. ABANDONED. And then meaning is gave up. GAVEUP. Gave up. And then bastion. Bastion means stronghold. Okay, bastion means stronghold. Okay, keeping the thing strong. Okay, following the in this lesson, what the meaning is, they are not giving the telegram. They are stronghold in that service. That is bastion, stronghold. Compression. Compression is shortening of sentences. In telegram, how they are sending, they won't send in a elaborate way. They will send the message in a short way only. Okay, come immediately. She is not well, like that. They will send the messages in a short way. So compression is the shortening the sentence. Shortening of sentence. Compression spelling COMPRESSION. Shortening, again the same spelling SHORTENING of sentences, you know the spelling. And then oblivion. Oblivion means a state of being forgotten. Okay, oblivion means forgot. Okay, that is ABLIVION. Oblivion, a state of being forgotten. Trepidation. Trepidation means fear and worry about something. Trepidation means fear and worry about something. Trepidation means fear and worry about something. Fearing for something, thinking something else, and you are fearing for that reason. Harbinger. Harbinger means a person or thing that announces. Okay, a person will announce us any kind of thing, that is harbinger. And then deployed. Deployed, DEPLOYED. Deployed is moved to a post where they can be used. They are shifting from one post to another. In this lesson, what we have studied in the Telegram in that center who are all working, they are shifted to another services. Okay, that we call it as deployed. Moved to a post where they can be used. Okay. So this is the meaning. 10 meanings I have given. Write neatly in your classwork. Okay. Again, if you have any doubt, you can call me and ask me. And then next one is respond to the following appropriately. Okay. So in your textbook, they have given 3 choices. I am telling the correct one only. Okay. Choose the best answer. Respond to the following appropriately means choose the best answer. Okay. According to the passage, telegrams were India's principal means of communication for 163 years. So D is the correct answer. According to the passage, telegrams were India's principal means of communication for 163 years. Okay. Second one. Which 2 of these statements about the history of telegram in India are true? Okay. They given 4 choices. Among them you have to choose true one, which is true, which is correct one they are asking. Okay. Telegrams were used to send both good and bad news. First one, people used to be nervous about opening their telegrams. These 2 are the correct one. So you have to write the A and C. A and C is the correct answer. Which 2 of the statements about the history of telegrams in India are true? Telegrams were used to send both good and bad news. And next second one is people used to be nervous about opening their telegrams. And third one, that's all. Actually in your textbook only 2 choose the best answer only they given, and then answer the following. Okay. Answer the following. Explain why Aravalli Wright's telegram was historic. Why it is very old? He is asking. Aravalli Wright's telegram was historic because it mentioned the 4 successful flights he had made. Okay. In that telegram, he mentioned the 4 successful flights he had made. So what is the answer? Aravalli Wright's telegram was historic because it mentioned the 4 successful flights he had made. Second one, explain why Benchley's telegram was funny. Why it is funny? Comedy, they are asking. Why it is funny? Benchley's telegram was funny because he was in Venice. When he was sending the telegram message, he was in Venice and he sent a message that the streets full of water. Okay, he is sending a funny message, that is what the message is, the streets full of water. Explain in your own words how the tar was used in Bollywood film. So this is the third question. Okay, third question. Explain in your own words how the tar was used in Bollywood films. Tar means telegram services. Okay, telegram services, they have called it as a tar in Bollywood. Okay, In Bollywood, they are calling Tor. What is the meaning is telegram services. Okay, the Tor was used to introduce sudden turns in films. So this Tor was used. This telegram was used in films also. Okay, sudden turns in films. If any new films is releasing, that also they can send it as a message in telegram. So that is the meaning. So the Tor was used to introduce sudden turns in films. Next one is fourth question. Explain in your own words in what sense the telegram was of great use of lawyer. Okay, for lawyer, what in what sense the telegram was used? They were registered under the Indian Evidence Act and known for their credibility. Okay, so the lawyers are using this telegram as an evidence. Okay, they can take this telegram as an evidence. That is the meaning. Explain in your own words in what sense the telegram was of great use to lawyers. They were registered under the Indian Evidence Act and known for their credibility. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth one. Do you think that people who used to be employed in telegram offices suffered when the service was abandoned? Explain. Okay. So what they are asking, those who are working in the telegram services offices, is they suffered after the service was abandoned, stopped. Okay. Do they suffer? They are asking. No, the employers didn't suffer, because as BSNL had absorbed, ABSORBED, absorbed all the employees. They have shifted. Okay, they have shifted the employees to other services. So they didn't suffer. That is the meaning. No, the employees did not suffer as BSNL had absorbed all the employees. Okay. So here, lesson 2 meanings is there. Choose the best answer is where. Question answer you have 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 question answer only. So write in your notebook neatly. I am not satisfied with your handwriting. Handwriting all should write neatly. One question if you are writing, leave space and write. Meaning also leave one space for another meaning. Okay. So write neatly. Next time I am expecting that you will write in a good way. Okay. So next class I will start you a new chapter. Until then, take care, be safe at home. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.